Prop up your phones, it's time to sign. The word for today is blizzard. Blizzard. Basically, your fingers, when they do this as you go down, that's snow. Snow. Blizzard is going to be like if it just goes really, really fast, right? That's it. Snow and blizzard. That's it. Just go crazy. It snowed a lot. Anyways, oh, rain, might as well do rain, right? Rain. And if it rains real heavy, just go, it rained a lot. Rain, 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 rain. If you want to say heavy rain, just go heavy, heavy rain, heavy rain. Might as well do lightning. Do all lightning, lightning. Thunder would be, you just point your ear and go shake. Hear, shake. That's thunder. Lightning, thunder. Lightning, thunder. Again, snow, snow, blizzard, rain, heavy rain or heavy rain, and lightning, thunder. Thunder, lightning. That's it. Let me go ahead and sign a sentence in ASL that includes blizzard. I remember many years ago when I was living up in West Virginia. I was a young boy, I remember. Heavy snow, blizzard. Wow. All night. I got up, I looked at the window, my eyes just widened. Snow all the way up, maybe 4 or 5 feet, almost to the window sill. And I looked out. Hard to believe. I think maybe it snowed one full day and then overnight. I think that. Not just overnight, no. But it was fun. I remember tunneling under. My dad made an igloo with my brother, the three of us. It was fun. It was good memory. I have it on a picture somewhere. If I find it, I will post it here. God bless.